Hi there. Today we'll show you how to install Mekorma Electronic Signatures in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. From the Business Central home screen, we'll click on the search icon and fill out the Tell me what you want to do search bar. We'll just type Marketplace. Then we'll click on Extension Marketplace. This takes us to the App Source window. We'll search for Mekorma applications by just typing Mekorma. Now we see all available Mekorma Business Central apps. We'll click the first one called Mekorma Electronic Signatures. Click Free Trial to download and install. Click the button here to install. Now we'll be asked if we want to import the digital signatures. We'll skip that part for now and just click Next. Now we'll see threshold amount, and then the report setup window for our bank account, which you'll need to configure. For now, we'll skip it and do the setup later on. Our Mekorma registration is installed successfully. Now we need to complete some additional information. Refresh the screen and look for Click here to register on this top banner. We now see a window for customer registration. Here we'll fill out our company name. We're just using an example here for demo purposes. And then the company's address, city, state, zip code, then the country, and the phone number is also required. Once my customer registration information is completed, we'll be asked to migrate from GP. In this case, I'm clicking No. Now we'll add our contact information in these fields. Once that is completed, we'll be asked to add your partner's information. We'll click Yes. It's beneficial and most efficient for Mekorma to know which partner to connect with the customer. So now we'll add the partner company name, contact, and contact information, and click Finish. Now we've successfully completed the information and registered. For the final step, we will go to the search again and type MEK space REG to confirm which Mekorma products you're using and the expiration date for each. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this demonstration of how to register for Mekorma Electronic Signatures in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central.